Hello, dear students of class 7. I am going to teach you today the nutrition in animals. Second chapter. The subject is science. Okay. So let's start the chapter by discussing about the digestion. Actually, nutrition, I think the nutrition. What do you mean by nutrition? Actually, every organisms or every living beings need some nutrition for its proper growth and development of the body. Okay, সব মানুহকে কি লাগে মানুহক বা বেলেগ বেলেগ যিমানখিনি আছে আমাৰ লিভিং অৰ্গানিজম সবকে আমাক নিউট্ৰিশ্যন লাগে উইদাউট প্ৰপাৰ নিউট্ৰিশ্যন we cannot grow. Okay, so that is the purpose of nutrition. Okay, so in case of animal nutrition, you can see animal nutrition includes nutrient requirement. Animal nutrition includes nutrient requirement, mode of intake of food and its utilization in the body. Means animal nutrition has some functions. Means whole the topic animal nutrition is divided into some subtopics, like how the nutrients are absorbed by the human body or the body of the animals, or by the different parts of the organs. Okay, how the animals can take the food and how this food is utilization in the body. Okay, as a result which can make the growth of the body parts and organs of their bodies. Okay, so this is the main point of intro part of animal nutrition. Okay, now coming to the part, if we consider when an animal is taking food, after the taking of the foods, what happens to the food particles inside their body? Okay, so we know I think carbohydrates. Everyone knows that carbohydrates is the basic nutrients which is required by the any kind of animals or human bodies. Okay, carbohydrates is the basic nutrients which is required by the human bodies or the animals or trees also. Okay, but carbohydrates exist in different forms like starch, like sugars, like cellulose, etc. So it exists in different forms, but it actually lives in every kind of organisms. See, carbohydrates are actually complex substances. What is the meaning of complex substance? If you can guess, you can say that, see, where we eat different kinds of food like meat, the piece of meat, the fish, and like this type of many different kinds of complex foods which are hard to be digest, which takes time to make the digestion completion. Okay, so this kind of complex substance, if we want to take it as a food, then what happens? It is broken down with the help of our different functions of the organs, like buccal cavity. Our teeth breaks them. After that, it will mix with saliva and it goes into stomach. So like that, when we take any kind of complex substance, that is means whose structure is complex. Actually, complex substance whose structure is complex. Okay, if we take the food, then it is broken down into small particles, simpler particles. Okay, this is complex, it is linked to it another, it is linked to it another. That means the structure is complex actually, and after the broken down it is split into different types of simpler particles or the simpler substances. Okay, can you guess? So the breakdown of these complex components of food into simpler substances is called digestion. That is the question. What is called digestion? The breakdown of complex components of food into simpler substances is called digestion. Question number 1, you write down. Just write in your copy quickly. Okay, this is important. So basically digestion mane ki, I will tell in Assamese also. Digestion mane hol যদি আমি যিবিলাক বস্তু খাওঁ বা যিবিলাক সাবষ্টেন্স আমি মানে কি টেক কৰোঁ তাৰে যদি আমি চাব যাওঁ সেইবিলাক সাবষ্টেন্স যদি আমি ধৰা আমি দাঁতেদি চুবাই হওক বা আমি দাঁতেদি চুবোৱাৰ পিছত কি হয় বস্তুটো পেটৰ ভিতৰলৈ গুচি যায়, গুচি যোৱাৰ পিছত কি হ'ব বেলেগ বেলেগ অৰ্গেনছে কাম কৰি পেলাই সেই বস্তুটোক ইউটিলাইজেশ্যন কৰে। ইউটিলাইজেশ্যন কৰাৰ পিছত আমি কি পাওঁ? এনাৰ্জিটো পাওঁ। এনাৰ্জিটো পোৱাৰ লগে লগে আমাৰ একচুৱেলি যিটো প্ৰপাৰ গ্ৰোথ বা নিউট্ৰিশ্যন যিটো আমাৰ পাব লগা আছিল সেইটো আমি পাই গ'লোঁ। সো এই যিটো ব্ৰেকডাউন অফ দ্য কমপ্লেক্স কম্পনেণ্টছ চব ফুডবিলাকে মেক্সিমাম ফুড মানে কি হয় আমি যিবিলাক মাংস খাওঁ মাছ খাওঁ চব এইবিলাক কি হয় কমপ্লেক্স ফুড হয়। কিয়? ইয়াতে ষ্ট্ৰাকচাৰটো কমপ্লেক্স হয়। অ'কে, ইয়াতে ষ্ট্ৰাকচাৰ কমপ্লেক্স হয়। ষ্ট্ৰাকচাৰ কমপ্লেক্স মানে এনেকুৱা যে যিবিলাক বস্তু খাওঁতে অলপ বেছি সময় লাগে আমাক হজম কৰোঁতে অলপ বেছি সময়, ডাইজেশ্যন মানে হজম কৰা। অ'কে, যিবিলাক বস্তু হজম কৰোঁতে আমাক বেছি সময় লাগে সেইবিলাকে কমপ্লেক্স ছাবষ্টেন্স বুলি ক'ব পাৰোঁ আমি। আৰু যিবিলাক বস্তু হজম কৰোঁতে কম সময় লাগে সেইবিলাক চিম্পল ছাবষ্টেন্স। পানীটো চিম্পল হয়, পানীটো চিম্পল হয় এজ এ একদম এটা যদি এক্সাম্পল হিচাপত ধৰিব যাওঁ আমি পানীটো চিম্পল, কিন্তু পানীৰ লগত যদি কিবা এটা বস্তু মিক্স কৰি দিয়ে তেতিয়া চিম্পলৰ পৰা অকণমান তাৰ চিম্পলাৰ লেভেলটো অকণমান মানে বেলেগ হৈ যাব, এই কমপ্লেক্সত পৰি যাব লাহে লাহে কিন্তু লিকুইড ইজ মানে ইন এ চিম্পলাৰ ফৰ্ম দেন দ্য চলিড। অ'কে, মাংসৰ টুকুৰাটো তোমাৰ অলপ কমপ্লেক্সত ধৰিব পাৰা, কিন্তু মাংসৰ টুকুৰাটো যেতিয়া আমি চুবাই দিওঁ ইমান কমপ্লেক্স ছাবষ্টেন্স আমি দেখাওঁতে কিমান টান টান লাগে, কিন্তু যেতিয়া আমি চুবাই দিওঁ ইমান সৰু সৰু পাৰ্টত ডিভাইড হৈ যায় ন, মানে কি হৈ যাব তোমাৰ সৰু সৰু পাৰ্টত ডিভাইড হৈ যোৱাৰ পিছত এই সৰু সৰু কিছুমান ছাবষ্টেন্সত সৰু সৰু ছাবষ্টেন্সক গ'লে গুচি যাব তেতিয়া তোমাৰ কি হ'ব এইটো ডাইজেশ্যন হোৱা বুলি কওঁ আমি। অ'কে অ'কে, ডাইজেশ্যন হোৱাৰ পিছত আফটাৰ দ্য ডাইজেশ্যন দ্য মেইন পাৰ্ট ইজ দ্য ফুড পাৰ্টিকলছ আৰ বা নিউট্ৰিয়েণ্টছ আৰ এবজৰ্ব বাই আৱাৰ বডি পাৰ্টছ। অ'কে, টু ডু ইটছ ফাংচনছ প্ৰপাৰলি। ডাইজেশ্যন হোৱাৰ পিছত কি হয় আমাৰ যিমানবিলাক পাৰ্টিকলছ থাকিলে নিউট্ৰিয়েণ্টছবিলাক থাকিলে এইবিলাক আমাৰ বডি পাৰ্টছবিলাকে শুহি ল'ব মানে এবজৰ্ব কৰি ল'ব। অ'কে, তো দেট ইজ দ্য ফাৰ্ষ্ট পাৰ্ট অফ দ্য বেচিক ইন্ট্ৰডাকশ্যন এবাউট দ্য নিউট্ৰিশ্যন or the digestion or how the food particles are used or utilized by our body. Okay, next point number 2 we can discuss about the different ways of taking food. আমি কিমান ধৰণে ফুডটো টেক কৰিব পাৰোঁ। ডিফাৰেণ্ট organisms, different animals have different kinds of patterns or the ways to take their food. Okay, and their names also different. So here given, see, if we take an example of snail, it can be as an animal. If you can consider it as an animal, if we take a snail, the kind of food by the snail is it takes grass. Okay, it takes grass. Clear? grass, grass. Mode of feeding is here chewing. Okay, the name of the process to take the food is called chewing. Chewing. Snail, grass, chewing. Okay. So kind of food, it is mode of feeding. What is the name of the type? Ant. Coming to the ant part. Ant mean what? Kind of food is insects. Ant eats insects and what? Sugars. Right? The mode of feeding is scraping. The name of the mode of feeding process of the ant is called scraping. Eagle. Eagle takes as a food the rat. It takes rat as a food. And mode of feed is it's capturing. Okay. Hummingbird. Hummingbird takes in food nectar. Okay, nectar. The mode of feeding is sucking. The name is sucking. Lice, kind of food is blood. It takes blood. The name of the process of taking the food is called sucking again. Lice and hummingbird is same. Mosquito, it takes blood only. Mode of feeding is sucking again. Butterfly, it takes nectar. Okay, nectar. So mode of feeding is sucking. Housefly takes the food from waste food. Takes the nutrients from its waste food. And mode of feeding of housefly is sucking. So there are the different kinds of process: scraping, chewing, siphoning, capturing, swallowing, sponging, sucking, etc. So these are the various modes of feeding process of different animals. Okay. So I will give a slide on this modes of feeding. Okay, you just write down as it will be there in the group. Okay, now see. So see, in the next point, one amazing fact is there. Have you seen the starfish? If you can see, you should know one thing, that starfish actually feeds on animals covered by the hard cells of the calcium carbonate. Okay, starfish मतलब कौन सा एनिमल्स को खाता है? जिसका जो एनिमल्स का मतलब तुम्हारा हार्ड सेल होता है ना, हार्ड मतलब उसका सेल जब जो हार्ड सेल वाला एनिमल्स होता है ना उसको खाता है, जिसका मतलब क्या होता है, कैल्शियम कार्बोनेट रहता है उसके अंदर. ओके, सो व्हाट इज़ द डिफरेंस व्हाट इज़ द अमेजिंग फैक्ट ऑफ स्टारफिश? Actually, the process of taking food by the starfish is somewhat different. How different it is? If you can see, when starfish try to eat something, okay, eat soft animals, what happens? After opening the shell, which consists of calcium carbonate, after opening the shell, the starfish pops out its stomach through its mouth to eat the soft animal inside the shell. मतलब कि after when it takes the shell, opens the shell, ই কি কৰে, তাৰ যে ষ্টমাক আছে ষ্টমাকটোত ইয়াৰ বাহিৰলৈকে উলিয়াই লৈ আহে মুখলৈকে উলিয়াই লৈ আহি পেলাই কি কৰিব, সফ্ট এনিমেলটো তাৰ ভিতৰত ভৰাব. অ'কে, ইট টেক্স দ্য ষ্টমাক আউট to take the soft animal inside. Okay, and after this over, the stomach then goes back into the body and the food is slowly digested. Okay, মুখৰ পৰা মুখলৈকে অহাৰ পিছত ষ্টমাকে কি কৰিব, সেইটো লৈ ল'ব, লৈ পেলাই আকৌ ভিতৰত গুচি যাব, যাই পেলাই তাৰ ভিতৰত তাৰ যিখিনি আদাৰ প্ৰচেছবিলাক ডাইজেশ্যন প্ৰচেছবিলাক আছে এইবিলাক চলি থাকে. ষ্টাৰফিছৰ এইটো এটা মানে এক্সেপশ্যনেল কোৱালিটি. অ'কে, ত' দ্যাট ইজ দ্য ষ্টাৰফিছ. নেক্সট see, let's discuss about the digestion in humans, which is the most important in this chapter. Okay, what it says, if we take food through our mouth, different functions, different processes are occurred. Some continuous processes are occurred which can helps in the complete digestion of the food particles inside our body. So first of all, we have to know, before learning this process, we have to know what are the parts that are what are the parts, body parts inside our body, human body. Okay, let's discuss from the starting point. So our body part starts here. So in the first part, buccal cavity is present, the first compartment of the first organ or the body part of the human body is called buccal cavity, which consists of all teeth and related the muscles, all are there in our buccal cavity. So this can be categorized as the first one. Okay, mouth, all the mouth part is actually included in the buccal cavity. Okay, secondly, the salivary gland. salivary gland মানে কি, আমি লালতিটো য'ৰ পৰা ওলায় এইটো salivary gland বুলি কয়. লালতি আমি যেতিয়া খোৱা বস্তু এটা থওঁ, when we take the food in our tongue, some kind of liquid, type of a juice type of liquid secreted. Okay, a juice type of liquid is secreted in our tongue, which is where it comes from. It comes from the salivary gland. Okay, lalotito jor pora olai to salivary gland boli koy. That type of juice is called saliva. Okay, the type of juice is called saliva, which is secreted by salivary gland, is related to the buccal cavity. Okay, the second part is salivary gland, which is down to the part of the buccal cavity. Third part, after the second part is esophagus. Esophagus means food pipe, nothing but it is a food pipe. Okay, if you can if the pictures is not clear, you can relate your video with your books from the second chapter. Okay, you can take this, it is a food pipe, right? So when the food enters here, after that buccal cavity, so food pipe is again linked with our stomach. Okay, it is linked to stomach. After the stomach, you can say that stomach, after the stomach we can come to the small intestine. Small intestine, after stomach there is a small intestine, and small intestine is related to pancreas and liver. Okay, small intestine is related to pancreas, it is pancreas and is liver. Okay, so liver has also a part which is called gallbladder. Okay, liver also a part is called what? Gallbladder. Okay, liver is gallbladder part. So see, we will discuss the functions also. First, you see the only organs. After the small intestine, it is linked. Then we can come to the. You can, do you know how much long our small intestine is. Okay, I will tell it after some. So after the small intestine, next we have to come to the large intestine. See, small intestine পিছত কি আহিব? Large intestine. Okay, large intestine, after large intestine, we have to come to the rectum part, which is this. After this, anus, which is the last part, exit part. Okay, so these are the different kind of body organs without which we cannot digest any kind of food. Okay, if any organ is absent here, it will be, let's revise again. First one is buccal cavity, after that salivary gland, after that esophagus or the food pipe, after that stomach, after that small intestine, then we can come to the liver and the gallbladder, which is inside liver. Okay, which is linked with liver. Okay, then pancreas, this is linked with small intestine, after that large intestine, then rectum, and then anus. So there is the different kind of body parts of human body. Okay, so what are digestive system? If we are asked about the digestive system, we can say that the digestive tract and the associated glands together constitute the digestive system. Okay, the digestive tract and the associative glands, they all are together constitute the digestive system. So this is the thing. Okay, now coming to the functions. Mouth and the buccal cavity. See, what is the function of mouth? Every kind of food particles we take through our mouth, that is fixed, we know. So the process of taking food into the body is called ingestion. Do you know? You've heard this first time. Okay, the process of taking food by our body is called ingestion. Okay, number one point. You may ask about the ingestion part. You have to write like that. Okay, ingestion means what? What ingestion? See how ingestion is done. By mouth we take the food particles. Okay, by mouth we take the food particles. Okay, which is chewed by our teeth. Okay, different kinds of teeth. Teeth helps us to chew the food or to break the food particles so that it can be easily digested. Okay, so that easily it can be digested. Okay, or teeth helps to chew the or split the particles so that it can goes on to help in the digestion process. Okay, so this is the mainly function of teeth. So each tooth is rooted in a separate socket in the gums. Okay, so প্রত্যেকটো দাঁতৰে কি থাকে? এটা নিজৰ নিজৰ কি থাকে? এটা গামছ থাকে, হয় না নাই? গামৰ লগত মানে কি লিংকড হৈ থাকে, ঠিক আছে? So each tooth has its particular gums. Okay, so that say about buccal cavity, the main part is that our teeth. Okay, so we have to know the basic arrangement of teeth and different types of teeth. So here are the 4 types of teeth are there. Okay, number one is incisor. This type of teeth are incisor teeth. Okay, I will tell the functions. This is canine teeth. Okay, this is premolar, and this is molar teeth. So basically what are the functions and location of the incisor? So basically incisor teeth, it is located at the front. The teeth exist in our front is called incisor teeth. So it is this type of teeth are used for cutting the food particles. It is used to cut the food particles. Okay. Next, coming to the canines. So what are canines? Canines actually located at the corners of the mouth. Mouthৰ যিটো corner আছে না, in that corner, in our mouth, canines exist. Okay. So it is used for tearing the food. Okay, tearing. So number 3, premolar. Premolars are located besides the canine. Canine পিছত আমাৰ premolars বিলাক থাকে. Okay, ইয়াৰে পিছত এইবিলাক থাকিব, এইকেইটা চাব পাৰা তোমালোকে ইয়াতে ইনচিছৰ এইকেইটা এইটা ইনচিছৰ যিকোনো এটা আমি ৰাউণ্ড যদি মুখৰ চেক কৰি আমি গম পাই যাম এইটো ইনচিছৰ তাৰপিছত এইটো তোমাৰ কেনাইন. অ'কে, কেনাইনৰ পিছত থাকিব তোমাৰ প্ৰিমলাৰ. দিজ আৰ প্ৰিমলাৰ্ছ. অ'কে, প্ৰিমলাৰ. The premolars are used for crushing and tearing the food. Crushing, it can crush the food. Okay, it can crush out the food particles, and it also helps in tearing. And last one is molars. Molars are what? These are the molars. These are the molars. So molars located adjacent to the premolars. Premolar kar pisot thakibo. It is used for grinding the food and crushing the food. Crushing and grinding, crushing and tearing, only tearing and cutting. Cutting, tearing, crushing and grinding. So these are the different types of teeth in our buccal cavity. Okay. These are most important functions. Functions are most important. Okay, we have to know. So basically I have already told you that when we take any food particles in our tongue, a liquid which is called saliva comes into our mouth. Okay, it the saliva breaks down the starch into the sugars. আমি যেটা কিবা বস্তু খাও তাতে কি থাকে আমাক starch থাকিব. starch তো কার্বোহাইড্রেটৰ এটা ফৰ্ম বুলি ক'ব পাৰা তুমি. A form of carbohydrates. Okay, when we take the starch or take the food, that food also contains the starch particle, right? And if the starch particle is broken down, like we know that if a complex substance is broken down, it becomes a simpler substance. Like that, starch is a complex. If it is broken down, it will be a sugar particles. Okay, when you take the food, the starch which is contained in that food is broken down into sugars. Okay, and this process is helped by saliva, which is secreted by our salivary gland. Clear? So that is the point. The tongue is a fleshy muscular organ attached at the back of the floor of the buccal cavity. Buccal cavity লগত টাংখন লাগি থাকে হা, মানে so buccal cavity মানে buccal cavity ভিতৰত মানে এৰিয়াখিনিৰ ভিতৰত আমি টাং থাকে, জিভাখন থাকে, আৰু জিভাখনৰ পিছফালৰ যিটো মানে লিংক আছে সেই লিংকটো জিভাখন কি হয় ফ্লেচি মাস্কুলাৰ অৰ্গেন হয়, এটা মাছল অৰ্গেন এইটো হা, আৰু buccal cavity একদম বেকৰ ফালে কি হৈ থাকিব লিংক হৈ থাকিব. Okay, okay, so what actually tongue is used to move the food particles in all directions. Okay, so that it can be chewed up, it can be teared, it can be crushed, it can be grinded, these kind of functions. Okay, also it helps in talking. Tongue. Okay, so this is the tongue, this is the front position, and this is the back position. Okay, tongue, jiva. So actually these are some kind of particles, some kind of means structure. Mainly how tongue helps us. Okay, first point, tongue helps us in moving the particles in all directions. Number 1 point. Number 2 point, it helps in tasting the food. আমি যিটো খাইছোঁ সেইটো কি কেনেকুৱা টেষ্ট আছে, টেঙা, মিঠা, তো all the taste will be means what, done by the tongue. Okay, taste আমি জিভাৰ পৰা পাম. Taste number 2. Number 3 is the saliva. The functioning of saliva, it is linked with the buccal cavity. Okay, it is linked with the back of the buccal cavity. Also, saliva, saliva is coming from its sources to the tongue, so that starch can be broken down into sugars. Okay, this is the fourth part. And last part is it helps us in talking. If no tongue is there, we could not talk even. Okay, আমি কথা ক'ব পাৰোঁ অনলি জিভাখনৰ কাৰণে, right? তো এইখিনি হ'ল বহুত ইম্পৰ্টেণ্ট ফাংচনছ টাঙৰ. জিভাখনত যদি আমাৰ কিবা প্ৰব্লেম হয়, আমি বহুত প্ৰব্লেম হৈ যায় আমাৰ, যিকোনো কাম কৰোঁতে চবতে আমাৰ ইফেক্টটো আহি যায়. অ'কে, চ' I have to know the importance of the tongue. So for this day, just we finish by taking another point. After that it will be finished. Okay, the food pipe. So is a food, this is food, this is the food pipe or the esophagus. It's called also esophagus. So the food pipe is linked with the stomach. Okay, it is linked with the stomach part. When the food comes through our mouth, it enters the esophagus or the food pipe, and then it it enters into the stomach. Okay, so in stomach what happens? Let's see. When stomach receives the food from the food pipe at one end and opens into the small intestine at the other. মানে যেতিয়া আমাৰ when the food particles enters into the stomach, exit point of the stomach or exit point of the food particles which enters into the stomach is small intestine. Means exit parts again open to the small intestine, so that it can directly goes into the small intestine, right? So stomach is the thick walled bag, J-type structure. Okay, the widest parts, सबसे ज़्यादा वाइडेस्ट पार्ट है ये स्टोमक्स, एलिमेंटरी कैनल के. ओके, यू हैव टू रिमेंबर इट. तो बेसिकली व्हेन इट एंटर्स इनटू द स्टमक, एन इनर लाइनिंग ऑफ स्टमक सीक्रेट म्यूकस. Mucus is secreted by the stomach. Number 1 point. Number 2 point, hydrochloric acid is secreted by the stomach part, and digestive juices. So 3 types of juices, 3 types of substances are secreted by the stomach part. Number 1 is mucus. Mucus secrete করে স্টমাকৰ ভিতৰত যেতিয়া ফুড পাৰ্টিকলটো পৰে. Number 2 হাইড্ৰক্লৰিক এচিড secrete করে, আর নাম্বার 3 ডাইজেস্টিভ জুস secrete করে. হ্যাঁ, এই মিউকাসে কি করে? মিউকাসের কাম কি? হোয়াট ইজ দ্য ফাংশন অফ মিউকাস? মিউকাস protects the lining of the stomach. It helps in what? Lining of the stomach, so that it can be protected. Okay. Number 2, acid kills. Hydrochloric acid, when we actually we do not know if there are any kind of unusual bacteria or unusual organisms are present in our food or not. We don't know, right? If it goes like that, if it will go like goes forwarded and other organs take the food from it, then will have some disease if the bacteria cannot be killed. Okay, so the killing of this bacteria or the unusual parts is done by the hydrochloric acid, which is secreted in the stomach part. Okay, and the digestive juice, see, actually hydrochloric acid to amar ki janne amar jetia ami mangkho sankho ba besi complex food khame digestion hor karone ami ki use koro, আমি হেৰি ইউজ কৰোঁ মানে কি আমাৰ পেটৰ ভিতৰত গেষ্ট্ৰিক হৈ যায় গেষ্ট্ৰিকটো কিয় হয় হাইড্ৰক্লৰিক এচিডটো বেছিকৈ ওলায় ক'ত ষ্টমাকৰ ভিতৰত চ' সেইকাৰণে আমাৰ কি হয় এই বস্তুটোৱে কি কৰে আমাক হাইড্ৰক্লৰিক এচিডে যদি তুমি মানে বহুত কিবা কিবি মানে কমপ্লেক্স ফুডবিলাক খোৱা তেতিয়া এইবিলাক আমাৰ ওপৰলৈকে আহি যায় মানে আমাৰ যে উগৰা বুলি কওঁ সেইটোৰ কাৰণে হয় বেছিকৈ ওলালে কাৰণ আমাৰ টেঙা বস্তু বেছিকৈ ওলালে আমাৰ কি হয় প্ৰব্লেম হয় হাইড্ৰক্লৰিক এচিডৰ যিটো টেষ্ট হয় টেষ্ট অফ হাইড্ৰক্লৰিক এচিড ইজ বিটাৰ sour taste. Okay, sour taste. So that's why we feel sour when gastric juice comes. Okay, so basically digestive juice, what is the function of digestive juice in our stomach? Digestive juice break down the proteins into the simpler substances. See, carbohydrates is also present in our food, proteins are also present in our food. This digestive juice which is secreted in the stomach helps in breaking down the proteins into the simpler substances. So protein is simpler substances bhag kore diye. Okay, so this is the function of the stomachs. So mainly three types of things are there. Stomach, when the food particles from the food pipe enters into the stomach, it secretes three types of substances like one mucus, one hydrochloric acid, and one is digestive juice. Mucus helps protects the lining of the stomach, number one. Number two, acid, hydrochloric acid kills many bacteria that enter along with the food and makes the medium. Okay, also acidic digestive juice break the proteins into simpler substances. So these are the three types of functions. Clear? So from the small intestine part,